Barely 48 hours after talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Pakistan counterpart Nawaz Sharif, Pakistan makes a complete U-turn on providing Mumbai attack mastermind Zaki-ur-Rehman Lakhvi's voice samples. On Friday, Sharif, during a meeting with Modi in Ufa, Russia, had assured all cooperation to expedite Lakhvi in the Mumbai case. On Sunday, Pakistan expressed its inability to provide Lakhvi's voice samples. Lakhvi has been out on bail since April 10th. India has expressed its unhappiness over the almost non-existent trial in the 2008 Mumbai attack case, with even mastermind Zaki-ur-Rehman Lakhvi being released by the court as Pakistan government failed to furnish the required evidence.